Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wayne County, northeastern Union County, Indiana, central Preble County, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Liberty, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Eaton, Lewisburg, New Paris, West Alexandria, Boston, Richmond Municipal Airport, Witt Station, Fairhaven, Goodwin's Corner, Oklahoma, West Florence, Kitchell, Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 127, Muttonville, Sugar Valley, Lake Lockingren, New Hope, and Wheatville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile marker 0 and 14.